I'm not angry at the level. Admittedly, I do wish it wasn't gonna take as long as it did. And I do think it is pretty underrated in difficulty. But at the same time, it's not because I don't dislike the level. I think I just came into it kind of unprepared. And I'm still absolutely loving it. Dang it. Oh my fucking god! What? Oh my... That is the craziest fluke I have ever... Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking throw up. Oh, I'm so fucking nervous. Oh my god. Oh. How the fuck did I pull that off? I was so nervous. That is genuinely the craziest fluke I've ever had on a GD level. Oh my god. That's insane. Holy shit. Today is not the day. Proceeds to beat it. As a fluke from 58. Oh my god. I just beat Windstorm. What the fuck? I still think this level is the new second hardest. But like, what the fuck? What do you mean, fluke from 58? That was fate. I'm calling it. This is the best extreme in the whole game. By far. This one-ups glide. Honestly.